Here's a clear, YouTube-friendly explanation you can use for your viewers. You can read it as a script or adapt it for your video description. Unity Power AI Classroom, full explanation, YouTube version. Hello everyone, welcome to the Unity Power AI Classroom, a smart Python program that creates a virtual classroom using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and YouTube together. This project is designed for students, teachers, and learners who want step-by-step learning, hang at strong values, and friendly AI guidance. Let's break it down simply. Number 1, imports and setup. You can see the code in our conversation history. What this does: OpenAI, ChatGPT, main teacher, Google.GenerativeAI, Gemini, co-teacher and friend, Google App Client, YouTube videos for learning, .env safely loads API keys from .env file. Important, API keys are never hard-coded. This keeps your project secure. 2, API configuration. You can see the code in our conversation history. Meaning, loads secret keys from environment variables, connects your program to OpenAI, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, YouTube Data API. 3, YouTube API setup. You can see the code in our conversation history. Purpose, fetches educational YouTube videos, automatically suggests videos related to the student's question. 4, Gemini model setup. You can see the code in our conversation history. Gemini acts as a friendly co-teacher, gives supportive explanations, reinforces understanding. 5, classroom memory conversation system. You can see the code in our conversation history. This is the heart of the classroom. It defines student, ChatGPT equals main teacher, Gemini equals co-teacher and friend. Classroom rules, step-by-step teaching, simple language, examples, moral values, unity and cooperation, kind corrections. This makes the AI behave like a real classroom teacher, not just a chatbot. 6, add messages to memory. You can see the code in our conversation history. This function stores every question and answer, helps AI remember the lesson flow. 7, ChatGPT main teacher. You can see the code in our conversation history. Why this matters: ChatGPT gives structured explanations, logical steps, clear teaching style, lower temperature, more focused, and educational answers. 8, Gemini, co-teacher and friend. You can see the code in our conversation history. Gemini reads the whole classroom discussion, responds like a friendly helper, reinforces learning in a different style. 9, YouTube learning support. You can see the code in our conversation history. This function searches YouTube for student-friendly videos, automatically suggests 3 learning videos, makes learning visual plus interactive. 10, classroom loop, live interaction. You can see the code in our conversation history. What happens here? 1, student asks a question. 2, ChatGPT explains, main teacher. 3, Gemini adds friendly support. 4, YouTube videos are suggested. 5, loop continues until student types exit. It feels like a real digital classroom. Final outcome: this program creates AI-powered classroom, multiple teachers, memory-based learning, values education, text plus video learning. Perfect for students, online classes, EdTech projects, AI learning demos, YouTube education channels. Closing message for viewers. Open quote: education is not competition, it's cooperation. Learn with unity, grow with values. Close quote. If you like this project, like, subscribe, comment your questions. Want upgrades like voice input, GUI, web app, student progress tracking? Just let me know.